Do you have an RV with tired, sad-looking wall sconces like this? Well, these are coming out. We're going to put in some nice new lights. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. All right, so to do the removal of the sconces safely and properly, we should disconnect the fuse that's connected to them. Now that's listed here as number 4. It says road lights, but I think they meant read. So fuse 4 on the DC side of this converter board is 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's pull that one out. Oh, and out go the lights. Yes. Road lights means reading lights. There you go. All right, now we've removed the fuse. Now we can take these sconces off the wall. But these things will typically be mounted with some Phillips head screws. These are no exception. 2 screws, 1 on either side. Out they come. And there you go. We've got 2 wires, black and red, as would be typical. I'm going to disconnect these. Just pull these wires apart. There we go. 1 sconce. Wow. These used to be like together on here, sort of like this and held in place, but not anymore. Flimsy crap and ugly, mind you. We've got our wires here. One's got a black stripe on it. We're going to assume that's the positive. And these, ooh, these bendable beauties with omnidirectional light and USB charge port, very important, are going to go in their place. There's a hex key hole in here, right here, which will allow you to remove this mounting ring. And then I think we can tuck all this wiring in here. At least that's my hope. Because I don't want to like mount it with the wiring underneath or anything like that. And in this little package of goodies that comes with it, there's in fact the hex key that loosens that right up. There we go. This mounting ring comes out. I think ultimately this is what we're going to want to attach to the wall back here. And then, like I said, I'd like to tuck everything into this thing and not have that wire come out the bottom. Cool. Yeah, just looks like that in there. Nothing going on. The switch, the on-off switch to this is actually up here in the top of it. Links to these lights in the description below. They look great. Let's hope they work great. All right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it in a little closer here. Sweet. So these wires on this new lamp are entirely too long, and if we want to have a hope of shoving all that in behind this fixture, then we're going to have to cut these wires back. But that's not a big deal. Let me get my wire cutters. We're going to reconnect it, and then we're going to try to fit everything behind there. All right, so all I did here was cut this wire down, connect it black to black, white to white. That's that. Before I try to piece this all back together, before I go and try to make that all fit, let's make sure that this light even works. So we're going to put the fuse back in. Ooh, okay. It's promising. There you go. That's more like it. Proper lighting. You could actually read in here. And this is super cool. It's got a red light feature. I mean, who doesn't like that? I like that. 3 steps of brightness and then red. Low, medium, high, red. Cool, that's working. We need the small hex key again. And we need to make everything fit into the little cavity behind the lamp. There, that's it. Oh, that is so much better. And then you can spin this a little bit. Pull it down closer to you. But that looks kind of nice arced up like that. And we've got a USB charger. What I want to do is I want to put a little shelf over here because there's really no place to keep your phone or anything like that here in the bedroom. Anyway, that's installation of wall sconce 1. Let me do the other one. I ask one thing of you. If this has been in any way, shape, or form helpful to you, please hit the like button. It's much appreciated by me and it helps me make more of this type of content. And speaking of content, please also let me know in the comments below what type of content you would like to see. Is there a video that you would like me to do on this RV? Let me know, because typically I just do these as I do upgrades and renovations in this RV. But if there's something particular you want, down in the comments below. All right, there you go. Both sconces are in as they cast their eerie red glow. That's off. That's low. Medium, high. Medium, high. And I'd say that is a massive improvement. Anyway, another successful video as far as I'm concerned. I'm happy with the result. And this is Chris saying goodbye for now. Please come back and check out some more of my content or hit subscribe below. Until then, be safe and be well. Bye.